Welcome to the van of the week. We have the brand new facelift model Transit Custom Sport in race red. Sport model, you get plenty of styling features with it, which include the black strip Transit inside, the 18-inch grey alloy wheels. You also get on this one the integrated stowable roof rack, so that folds down when you don't need it. And the Sport is the top spec model, so with this you get the reversing camera, rear and front sensors, which is all displayed on the touchscreen in the middle, which I'll show you in a second, but first let's take a look inside. So I'm going to show you the rear of the van. One great feature about this model is that you get the load-through bulkhead. It fits with a magnet for security, helps fit extra long items through. Another great feature is the LED compartment lighting, extra visibility as you saw, and this model comes standard with the protective boarding from factory and also the easy clean floor, which is great for maintaining the van. So this is the inside of the cabin. As you can see, lovely seats, partial leather, armrest for the driver. With this being the top of the range model, you get lots of features like heated seats, air conditioning, you get automatic lights and rain sensing wipers, cruise control. These are just some of the features. A lot is on this display. It's an 8-inch colour touchscreen which holds your music, DAB, Bluetooth, and also, as I said before, where you can see the reverse camera and front and rear sensors as well. So this has been the Transit Custom Sport. It is the all-new facelift model with the more aggressive front and new sports body kit. If you want any more information on this, give us a call on 01524 598 598, ask for commercial sales, or come down to our showroom in Morecambe. Thanks very much for watching.